Hello and welcome to the third lecture of object-oriented programming using Java class. So, if you recall in the previous lecture, we learned what is object-oriented programming language, what is object, what is class, and what are the four basic pillars of object-oriented programming language, such as encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. So, in this lecture, we typically talk on Java, the features of Java, and of course, we will write the first program in Java language. So let's start the lecture. So in this lecture, we will first see the history of Java. So Java actually was produced by James Gosling in 1991. Previously it was called as O, but later on they renamed it as Java. They renamed because previously the O didn't get so much popularity, so they thought it might be the name because of which it is not getting the popularity, because it has a lot of features but it was not getting the popularity. So therefore they renamed it as Java in 1995. So Java is the first programming language which is purely object-oriented programming language. So there are so many features of Java, such as it's very simple to learn, it is very secure programming language, portable, which means you can execute the Java program on any platform, whether it is Linux, Windows, Mac operating system, IBM, and so on. So portability means you may write the program of Java in Windows, but you can run on any other platform like Linux or Unix. It is robust because it is a very typed language. You can do exception handling and so on. So Java provide the multi-threaded approach. So you can write multi-threaded programs in Java. You can write internet programs, distributed programs using Java, and Java supports the Unicode. Okay, so when you write the program in Java, so you always save this program with an extension called .java. So when you write this program, the compiler will convert this program into the bytecode. So once the bytecode is converted, this bytecode can be executed on any machine. Like for example, you have written this program on a platform called Windows. When you compile this program, this program is converted into the bytecode. So bytecode is with a .class extension. So you can now run this .class file on any platform. So this magic is because of Java virtual machine. So when we talk about Java, these three terms are very much used, like JDK, JRE, and JVM. So there's a difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. So many people confuse in these three terms. So let's differentiate between these three terms. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So this JDK is used for writing the Java program. So it provides you the development kit, the APIs, the console, and everything. So as a programmer, you need to have this JDK. But once you write the program in Java, so the end user just need to have this JRE and JVM to run that program on their client machine. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment and JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JRE is just needed to run the Java program on client machine, and JVM is actually the magic box, a sandbox which converts the bytecode or .class file into the executable code. So Java provides two types of programs. One is called the application program and the other one is called the applet program. So in Java, I can write the application programs, like I can run the desktop applications. I can also run the internet programs using applet programs. So Java is a completely object-oriented programming language in which you can create object, class, properties, methods, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, integration, and composition. So this is the first program of Java. So if you recall in the previous video, we told you how to install the IntelliJ and how to run your first program in Java. So this is the first program of Java language. So initially, you will write public class test. This is the name of the class, and public static void main string arguments system.out.println hello world. So this is the first program of the Java. This program will print hello world on the screen. So this method, this is the class name which is called test. You need to save this file with a name called test.java. This is the main class. We call it main class because there is a main method inside the class. So public is the access modifier. Class is a keyword which we write for writing any class. Test is the name of class. This is the user defined name. You could name it like first, anything. So this is the opening bracket of the class. Public again is the access modifier. Static is the keyword. Void is a return type. Main is the entry point for any Java program. String arguments is the parameters of the string arguments, which is used to take input on the command line interface. So we will see later on how to do it. This bracket is again the opening bracket of the main method. System is a built-in class. Out is the output string. So if you want to print anything on the screen, you need to use this string. Println is a method which is used to print any string on the command prompt. This is the end of the main bracket and this is the end of the main class. So if you want to run this program, you just press Alt plus Shift plus F10 on IntelliJ and this program will be run and will show you the outcome hello world on the screen. So remember, you have to write this Java is a case sensitive language. So if you need to write a public in a lowercase, class in a lowercase, this is your name. You could name it anything like this. So the naming convention for the classes is you need to put the first character in the capital letter and the rest of the characters in the lowercase. Again, the public should be in the lowercase, static should be in the lowercase, void should be in the lowercase, main should be in the lowercase, string S is capital, and arguments should be in the lowercase. System S is capital, out is in lowercase, println is in lowercase. This is your string you want to print on the screen, should be in any case, and that's it. So I hope you will write this program in IntelliJ. We learned in the previous video, and you can successfully execute and run this code on the IntelliJ, and you can see this outcome hello world on your screen. So congratulations. So I hope you have written your first program of Java in IntelliJ. So in this next class we will learn how to create the variables and data types in Java. So till that, bye bye, see you in next class.